Hello, everyone. My name is Juliano Alves Bonacin. I'm from the University of Campinas, Brazil. I would like to invite you to participate in the tutorial about 3D printing. This tutorial has the title 3D printed electrode from concept to applications in sensing and energy conversion. I will present an overview of the additive manufacture and the production of 3D printed electrode. The idea is to provide some key information, some tips to facilitate your comprehension and your work in printing process. In this tutorial, we will discuss about the essential concepts of 3D printing process, 3D printed electrode production, filament production. You can produce your own filament. I will provide some tips and some devices for you to produce your own filament and electrodes. And I would like to highlight the importance of the post-treatment for the enhancement of the electrochemical performance of this printed electrode. I would like to discuss applications of 3D printed electrodes in the fields of sensors, biosensors, energy conversion, and the integration of 3D printing technology with the spectroelectrochemistry, mainly for in situ and operando experiments. And finally, I believe that all of you will get insights about the current state and future of the 3D printing technology. And I believe that we have a great opportunity to share experience and provide important information. And I would like to share about my last work. I would like to provide some details about how to print this very beautiful periodic table. Take part. I hope to see you in Kingston. Thank you very much.